Have you ever wondered how the marvelous structures that dominate our city skylines come to life? From the towering skyscrapers to the expansive bridges, each one of these impressive feats of architecture is a testament to the brilliance of civil engineering. Civil engineering is a discipline that has been shaping our world for centuries. It's a field that combines the principles of physics, mathematics, and design to create the infrastructure that supports our everyday lives. The process of building in civil engineering is a complex, multi-step operation that requires a deep understanding of both the scientific and artistic aspects of construction. The first step in any civil engineering project is the planning phase. This involves a detailed analysis of the proposed site, taking into account factors such as soil composition, weather patterns, and potential environmental impact. The goal here is to ensure that the structure will be safe, sustainable, and beneficial to the surrounding community. Following the planning phase, engineers move on to the design stage. This is where they use their knowledge of structural mechanics to create a blueprint for the building. The design must meet the specific needs of the project while also adhering to local building codes and regulations. Next comes the construction phase, which is when the actual building begins. Here, civil engineers work closely with construction professionals to translate the design into a physical structure. This involves a wide range of tasks, from laying the foundation and erecting the framework to installing the electrical and plumbing systems. Once the construction is complete, the structure undergoes a rigorous inspection process. This involves checking every aspect of the building to ensure that it meets all safety and quality standards. Any issues that arise during this phase must be addressed before the building can be officially opened. The final step in the process is the maintenance phase, which continues for the lifespan of the structure. Civil engineers are responsible for monitoring the building and carrying out any necessary repairs or upgrades. This helps to extend the life of the structure and ensure that it continues to serve its intended purpose. In conclusion, the process of building in civil engineering is a meticulous, multi-step operation that requires a deep understanding of both the scientific and artistic aspects of construction. From the initial planning phase to the ongoing maintenance phase, each step is critical in ensuring the safety, functionality, and longevity of the structure. So next time you marvel at a towering skyscraper or a sprawling bridge, remember the intricate process that brought it to life. It's a testament to the power of civil engineering, a discipline that continues to shape our world in remarkable ways.